We did evaluating functions in reverse using math, using algebra. So let's look at evaluating functions in reverse, but we'll do it using graphs. So this is kind of the follow-up on that other idea. So if I've got a graph, I'm going to switch to graph form. Okay. If I've got a graph and it looks like this, here's x, here's y, or maybe f of x. I'm just going to leave it as y. And I've got some kind of a function here, so maybe it goes this way, I don't know, something like that. And I want to say, find x so that f of x is equal to, let's go with 2. Let's go with a different number. Let's go with -1. So I'm going to say I'm looking for where f of x is -1. I'm going to draw my line at -1. F of x is -1 here, and here, and here. So those will be my answers. I just need to be able to express them. So f of x equals -1 for, I've got x equals this one, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X equals -6. This works again at x equals here. That's about a half. And I've got it again here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and maybe a quarter. I'm going to do one more. So let's say, let's find x so that f of x equals, you know what, let's go with +1. I'll stick a different color on here. So I'm going f of x is +1. Again, this part, this whole box, I'm just going to replace with y. So I want y equals +1. Here is kind of my line of y equals +1. And I'm going to pick out the values where that line crosses f of x. So I've got here, here, and here. 1, 2, 3. So I know f of x equals 1 for x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. That's about -1/2. And again here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. And that's it. That's all I'm doing with these. It's evaluating the functions in reverse, but using a graph to do it.